Previously on FlyteCamp.
Justin just informed me that we're not going to be taking the Westcraft to Modernism, and we leave tomorrow. Instead, we're having a new trailer we just purchased delivered to us there, and I have no idea what I'm getting into. It looks really, really scary. I know it's missing some doors and drawers. I know some windows are missing. It's super dirty. It's been sitting for a million years. And somehow, Justin and I are going to need to pull this together and make it something that is showable.
How do you plan on doing this in a day?
Well, with a lot of help from you and your mom.
But obviously with me, but it's just a temporary fix. If we end up taking this trailer home, it's gonna get taken down.
It'll get all the electrical done so that it actually has tail lights on the back. Okay guys, we're here, 2024. Palm Springs Vintage Travel Trailer Modernism show. So stoked to be here. The weather's incredible and the trailer's showing great. We cannot wait to see everybody. Come on down and have some fun.
I want you to hang curtains.
I know, but where?
Okay.
Tell me where you.
Oh, yeah. I want you to hang them just in here. Somewhere in here. You could hang them off, well, wherever you find comfortable, but they're under here, and then I need two curtains. It's the curtain rod's only so big.
Now wait a second. You're talking about to the wall?
Sure.
You want me to do them to the wall?
Yeah, probably. I'm thinking that's only where you can do them. So a hook there and a hook somewhere in here so that I can get them to cover.
That might be easier said than done.
Not that this isn't pretty, but
It's not that, it's that I can't get anything.
to stick to it.
No, up in there, that's all I'm saying. That's as high as I can go.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, sweet.
I've got a screw in the splinter of solid wood.
Oh boy.
I think it's all the mildew holding everything together.
Yum. I actually can't believe that's staying there.
Oh, the wood's actually in really good shape. It's just dirty. It's just got...
Sully, are you catching this? Did Dad just say the wood's actually in really good shape?
It's guano.
How close can you see that?
You could harvest it.
I know things look better in photos, but perhaps the viewers can tell that that's not in good shape.
It looks pretty bad. No matter how.
You guys have no vision.
It's actually in pretty good shape. That's why we're putting a curtain up.
This is your 24-hour makeover.
This is me making something look good in 24 hours that literally I wasn't sure we should walk in.
You guys are always a miracle
great.
Now this is getting a little crazy right here. Okay. I mean, I understand working on a trailer in Lowe's parking lot,
But building a trailer at a rally?
but building a trailer at the rally? I don't know.
Too late?
Too late. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's see what we got here.
Alright. I could just keep decorating this thing, but I think I gotta stop. It's just not good. Do you need any help? Ah! Look at that, I just got a shard of aluminum in my thumb.
Yep. There's aluminum in there. Be careful.
Okay. You don't want to be in it, but does this look okay or is it totally junky?
It's not junky. If it was me, I would take them off of the rugs and put them back here, because then you have a huge open thing.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's just, it looks tighter.
Yeah, that's true. Or I just mean for your photo though. the water bottles and all that. The thing is, I gotta sit under the shade. Yeah, it's like I can't make it. But if you put it
Worst.
This is where we find out if there's some sort of horrible flaw in the aluminum. And this is temporary. When we get this back, it'll be redone. So we're gonna look at a 1966, correct? Kencraft. I'm sorry. No. I owned this trailer. I just have it at 63. Okay, so the interior of this 1966 Kencraft is amazing. And we know Rhonda. These guys are fellow Oregonians, so it's really cool to see them here in Palm Springs. But if you look around, you'll see she has a really great eye for fabrics. Her adorable window coverings. Oh my God, I love this fabric. Also, the upholstery is just gorgeous. It's got a really nice nubby texture, which I always say is very, very important. This trailer is just in fantastic condition. I have to look around and kind of pinch myself to make sure that it actually is original. These are adorable. Put these little pink knobs on top of the original hardware. We've got a pink sink.
We have a party! So, thank you for your cooperation!
He's ready to leave. So as we come around, you'll see these great wall tiles. They're so cute. We've got original appliances, countertops. This is just like an immaculate trailer. And then you'll see she made a quilt patch, window coverings, which is just so fabulous. Look at the design in this. I've got to ask her about this when I get a chance, but so cool. And then another really fantastic thing about this trailer is that it has a full bathroom. And then they took a new fridge, which sometimes in vintage trailer, you need to do this, especially if you're planning on actually using the fridge, because then you can use it on three-way power. So you can use it when you're on grid, off grid, shore power, battery power, and propane. But in order to just kind of get it to blend seamlessly, they did a powder coating of the panels. And so I think it's really, really gorgeous, and it matches their stove and it matches their sink. And this trailer is basically perfection, in my opinion. I love it. Okay, so we have this original gas lantern, which is just so cute, and there's nothing quite like camping off-grid and running one of these. It just reminds me of camping when I was a kid. It's all those little nostalgic things that add to the authenticity and the experience of camping with a vintage travel trailer. You'll see they also have incorporated some 12-volt lighting for when they're off-grid, and then the original light fixture. And then when you scan over here, I absolutely love this. This is something that you'll see in vintage trailers. They always try to make everything appear just a little bit more grand. So you've got your little screen room divider. So it separates your dining area from your bedroom. So this is a 1951 Silver Streak Clipper, and I absolutely love this trailer. It won an award for this event, and the restoration was done, or renovation was done by Hollywood Vintage Trailer, and you have to see the interior. Come on.
What's your name?
Check this out. Marvin the Martian. Isn't that awesome? The little inlays and little details in this trailer just kill me because they're so stinking cool. He's got this great terrazzo inlay, so silver streak. And then here in the front, we've got this cute little nook. I'm sure this turns into a bed. You've got your television in the front. Awesome, like atomic upholstery fabric. It's adorable. And Hollywood Trailer Restoration, they do such a fantastic job. They really have like the signature look where they do many, many layers of like a high gloss wood finish. So you can recognize Randy's work anywhere you go. And all these little like details, this light, it's very space age. You've got the little rocket there. It doesn't really get cuter than this. You've got your little side table. And then as you come through, so you've got this look of vintage. Obviously all the cabinetry and woodworking in here is custom. It's all new, but it's got that like kind of marine grade look to it. And then up here you've got this beautiful little bar area with all this detailing. If you look above the cabinetry, this really beautiful veneer, and then you've got your lights coming through. He just does such a great job of like styling these trailers. It's always a pleasure to see them. You got a little, looks like a wine fridge here, bottle opener. Oh, induction cooktop, kind of made to look like a vintage stove, but super, super efficient. This is an all electric vintage travel trailer. So that's really, really cool. And what also is super, super cool is this air conditioning. Oh my goodness. So he has an air conditioning system here built in. Look at that. You can actually see the temperature through the veneer of the wood. This is off, you don't see it. It's just, it's that thin. And then you've got your air, your intake. You can just really, really feel it coming out. And here in Palm Springs, oh, it feels awesome, doesn't it, Flea?
Yeah.
You would finally understand why I made you come into this trailer.
Yep.
And then you look here, you got another little dinette, obviously converts to a sleeping area. Just details, details, details. It's so gorgeous. Another awesome thing about this trailer is that, hi guys, you've got a bathroom. So check this out. Wet bath, you've got a shower, a toilet. Like, you don't need anything else. This is amazing. Yeah, so kudos to Hollywood Vintage Trailers and Randy. I love your work. All right, so I have to show you this trailer. It's amazing. It's a 1949 Zimmer Wee Zim, and this is one of one that we know to be in existence. So let's take a look inside. This is a crazy trailer, and the thing that's so amazing is that you walk in on the ground level, it unfolds, and kind of like Tetris folds back up. But when you get inside, for being such a tiny trailer, look at it. It's got everything you need. So cute. I feel like I just stepped back into the 40s. You've got a dinette here. Do you want me to walk in? So you got a dinette here. You can see this part here. So you see that this folds down and it turns into a teardrop when you're towing it. But you've got full height inside. And then you'll see you've got your couch in the back here that turns into a bed. You've got a fridge, a little sink with your water being stored up above.
I didn't see him. It was dark, you know. Yeah.
Isn't this just the coolest thing? It's like a tree fort is how I feel. When I come in this, I just want to like be sitting next to a lake and going fishing and just cozying up with a cup of coffee. I'll let you do a little tour there.
Let me have a close look at it. The rest of you stay back there. Sam, you help me. Yeah. Maybe we can find some more clues, Sheriff. Maybe so. Something to go with that paper from the fireplace. Hey, Sheriff's got something already. Reckon I have.
And he's got this radio working, which I absolutely love. Just adds to the ambiance of it, you know?
Don't be so fast about it.
So cool.
Let me find out for myself.
It's much simpler time.
Something mighty tight. Can you get it? I'll get it.
I don't think people realized how
Ain't nothing but a button.
much ingenuity went into these old trailers.
Sure enough.
But people were so creative with them and they just didn't forget any little detail. And so that's why they're so special.
What are you doing? Packing bearings on the road. Supposed to be having a barbecue at some friend's house right now, but I pulled over to get fuel and the hub was hot, which indicates that there was no grease in the bearings. So I investigated and it was as dry as a bone. So I am doing a very quick once over bearing job. On the road.
Nice.
Done everything else to the trailer, so you know.
Why not replace this last minute?
Why not do this? Make sure that we're good for an 18-hour trip back to Bend.